In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to add a pair watermark on Tradingview, a useful feature for chart analysis. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and log into your account. If you haven't registered yet, creating an account is quick and easy. After logging in, head to the chart section by clicking on Chart in the main menu. This will take you to the Tradingview charting interface. Once in the chart area, focus on the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find a settings icon, typically a gear symbol. Click on it to access a menu with various adjustable options. Next, find another settings icon on the lower right of the chart. Clicking here will lead you into a more detailed settings menu. In this comprehensive settings menu, scroll to find an option labeled More Settings. Clicking this opens up additional customization options. You'll notice this section offers refined control over the appearance and behavior of your Tradingview charts. Here's where it gets interactive. Right-click on the chart to open a context menu. In this menu, select Settings to further explore Tradingview's customization options. Within the settings, look for a section named Canvas, which manages visual elements on your chart. Focus here on finding the Watermark subsection. The watermark feature is invaluable for distinguishing between different pairs or symbols on your chart. Check the box next to Watermark to activate it. Under the watermark settings, you'll find options for ticker interval description or replay mode, allowing you to personalize what information appears in the watermark. Customize the watermark by adjusting settings like opacity and color to match your charting style. Once you're satisfied, click OK to save your changes. And there you have it. Your chart now features a customized pair watermark, ready for in-depth analysis. Practice using these settings to maximize your Tradingview experience.